Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the hardware. Put on the headset and tighten straps so the view stays steady. Once done, ensure controllers are paired and fully charged because low power interrupts tracking. Make sure your room is clear. A 2M by 2M space prevents accidents. Next, power up the system, launch the VR game, and accept any permissions. This initializes sensors and downloads updates. Do these first actions to create a reliable baseline for the immersive session ahead. Now you calibrate tracking and controls. Follow on-screen prompts to set floor level and your play origin so movements map correctly. Once calibrated, define the guardian boundary with a half-meter safety buffer to avoid chairs or walls. Then, configure in-game settings. Choose comfort options if you're prone to motion sickness, enable motion smoothing for fluid visuals, and pick the refresh rate. Higher for smoother motion, lower for battery savings. These middle steps refine responsiveness and protect both you and your hardware. You're ready to start. Play the built-in tutorial to memorize gestures, button combos, and interaction ranges because practice reduces fumbling. Once comfortable, save controller layouts and a comfort profile so future sessions load your preferences immediately. During play, move gradually and keep arms within view of sensors to maintain tracking. If tracking or audio drops, stop, recenter the headset, and rerun the sensor setup. This quick recalibration fixes most issues without reinstalling software, keeping your session smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.